Today we're in the wonderful Waterleaf community here in Riverview, Florida, and I'm going to show you today what you can have in this community for $650,000. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, immaculate neighborhood, fenced-in yard, well-manicured neighborhood. It's the works. This is Christian Abush, licensed agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Today I'm going to show you the beautiful home here listed for $650,000 by Renee Thompson of Real Broker. This home is in an immaculate neighborhood. It's the Waterleaf community built by Metro Places. And today I'm going to show you the gem available for $650,000. Let's walk into this beautiful door. Immediately, beautiful hallway leading into the office on the left, a bedroom here, a nice seating area. You got a bedroom here, nice bathroom, an accompanying bedroom used for an office or guest bedroom right here in the front. Ceiling fans, like typical wonderful Florida architecture. Both of these are right off the main entrance, the front door. The flooring is all throughout. It is well appointed. This is beautiful. To the right, we have the laundry room, entrance to the garage, a half bath, beautiful pantry. Oh, I should have had it lit for you all. Deep, nice. Look at the folding area. A lot of room. A lot of homes actually don't have this available. The dining room. And here is the open concept living room kitchen combination. This island is ginormous. I don't use that word often, but you can literally have a dance party on this counter. Room for over 5 to 6 chairs. Storage everywhere. Brand new stove. Oh my God. If this is a nook, think about it. This is a large open space, open concept room. Got a kitchen table next to the kitchen counter, next to the living room. I'm thinking Thanksgiving easy. You can have 30 people here. Let's go into the master, or the primary, as we like to call it. Beautiful. King size bed, ceiling fan, the lanai where my son is enjoying himself right now. We'll go there in a moment. Let's go into the ensuite where we have his and her walk-in closets. Tall ceilings, great for shoes. Amazing. We have our water closet with the door, so you can be doing your business and enjoying the privacy and seclusion. Deep soaker tub. This is beautiful. And look at this stand up. Give you a high view. Great view. His and hers. Let's end our way into the lanai. And there's 2 entrances to the lanai. We have from the master bedroom as well as from the kitchen area. Let's go here. Covered. Here we have the grill. Fenced-in backyard, so if you've got pets, this is wonderful. And they have some new palm trees growing. Those look about 2 or 3 years old. Let's go in. The backyard is beautiful. This grass is beyond healthy. And yes, this is what's available here in Riverview for $650,000. Now, if this home is of interest to you, please give me a call, 727-303-1521, or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Talk to you later.